Welcome to the biggest and best hot dog festival in the world, the Phantom Gourmet Hot Dog Safari.
Kelly's hot dog on a toasted roll!
The safari is a celebration of hot dogs, sausages, ice cream, and soft drinks all in one place for one affordable price. The safari was founded over 20 years ago by the godfather of sports radio, Eddie Andelman, and he considers it his greatest creation beside his 3 sons that now produce and promote the event.
Hot dog safari!
Tens of thousands of people who enjoy the greatest food on earth. That, of course, is the amazing, delicious hot dog. Everybody is smiling. Everybody's having a great time.
Just like Eddie, the Hot Dog Safari is a combination of sports fans and food fanatics. 100% of the ticket proceeds benefit the Joey Fund and Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. It's the ultimate day of family, food, and fun.
Hot dog!